Welcome back to Wheel World, where horsepower meets heartbeats. Today, we bring you a machine that doesn't just move, it dominates. Meet the 2026 BMW M8, a luxury performance coupe that's rewriting the rulebook on speed, style, and sophistication. This isn't your average Grand Tourer. The 2026 M8 is a statement, bold, aggressive, and unapologetically powerful. Under the hood, it packs a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing a jaw-dropping 640 horsepower and 590 pound-foot of torque. Paired with an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission and BMW's intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system, the M8 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds. Yes, 3 seconds flat. This is supercar territory. But speed is just one part of the equation. The 2026 M8 has been fine-tuned with revised suspension geometry, adaptive dampers, and M-specific chassis tuning, giving it precise cornering and remarkable composure at high speeds. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising on the Autobahn, the M8 delivers a balance of comfort and aggression that few can match. Visually, the 2026 BMW M8 is a head-turner. A redesigned front fascia with larger intakes, laser headlights, and a wider kidney grille make a powerful first impression. New forged alloy wheels, carbon fiber roof, and quad exhausts at the rear complete its aggressive stance. Every angle screams performance. Inside, the M8's cabin is a masterclass in luxury and sport. Merino leather, carbon fiber trim, and M-specific displays surround you in a cockpit built for speed. A new 14.9-inch curved infotainment display runs BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, offering intuitive controls, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. From heated massage seats to a 16-speaker Bowers and Wilkins Diamond audio system, this cabin doesn't compromise. Safety and tech are top tier too. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, parking assistant plus, and BMW's Driving Assistant Professional Suite, making long-distance cruising not just possible, but effortless. In a world of luxury coupes, rivals like the Mercedes-AMG GT, Audi RS7, and Porsche Panamera Turbo try to keep up. But the 2026 M8 pushes ahead with a rare blend of brute force and daily usability. Starting at around $139,000, it's not cheap, but for what you get in return, it's worth every dollar. And if you go for the M8 Competition Grand Coupe, expect even more aggression and exclusivity. So, if you're looking for a car that can outrun sports cars, outclass luxury sedans, and outshine everything else at the Valley, the 2026 BMW M8 is your perfect match. This isn't just driving. This is M-Power Unleashed.